Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I'm going to be creating this birthday glam here that you see. I am super excited because this month is my birthday month and I am going to be turning 23 this year. Yeah, I'm going to be turning 23 this year. I'm super excited. I cannot believe how time flies, you guys. I remember when I was 18 doing my channel, at 18 years old doing my channel, and now I'm 23 and I'm still doing it. It's crazy just looking back on how much I've grown, you know what I mean? It makes me so happy every time I get to, you know, do looks for my birthday, because this is literally like, what do I do to get glammed up for a special day, for my special day, and to feel pretty and beautiful. It's just the best feeling ever. I'm very happy that I get to show you guys this look and my whole process. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to learn how I did this birthday glam, then please continue watching. I'm gonna be doing my makeup glam. I'm so excited about this look, because if you guys didn't know, my birthday is literally in 2 weeks. So I was like, let me just do a birthday glam. Like, I know I did one last year, so you know, I just want to keep that going. Of course, I'm going to be doing my eyes first and then my face. I'm going to do my brows first. You guys already know that I like to soap my brows. I just feel like it's way better and they just stay more put when I do this. So now I'm just gonna sculpt my brows. You guys know I love taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. And I also like to prime with this. I feel like I haven't filmed in a long time, and I have not. I took a little break, obviously, for Christmas and New Year's, and it felt really good, but I'm back on my grind. I'm gonna be doing way more videos. I have way more videos planned too. I don't know if you guys have seen my beauty favorites. That's like my all-time beauty favorites. Like, I talk about my favorite concealer, my favorite foundation for 2019, and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to, go check that video out. I will have it linked down on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that video out. I am very excited about this year. I feel like a lot of blessings are coming my way, and last year was a really weird ass year for me. I don't know, like, I didn't really find a purpose, if that makes sense, to film. Like, I thought, like, oh my god, there's so much people trying to do, and I mean, it's not a bad thing. Okay, so for today's look, since I am doing my birthday glam, I do want it to be very, you know, girly, dramatic, glam as fuck. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in collaboration with Resi, and wow, like, you guys, there's so many colors coming out, but they're so good, like, from good influencers, which I'm loving and I'm here for. So I'm very happy about this palette right here, and this is how it looks like. Super beautiful, as you guys can see. There's a lot of glitter shades up here, which I am dying to try. I already swatched some of them, but I'm dying to, you know, use it on my eyes. All these colors I actually use, even the blue sometimes. So for today's transition, I'm going to be taking OG, which is this color right here in the palette, and I'm going to be taking a good amount, and all I'm going to do is focus this color on the outer corner. Just on the outer corner. You guys thought that I was going to focus it in all over my crease, but I do want to focus the shade on my outer corner. Very, very effortlessly start to blend. We're gonna do a soft look. That's what I'm aiming for. And thank God this palette has a lot of soft shades. So I'm very happy about that. So we're just gonna keep blending like that until we like the desired amount. And now I'm gonna move on to this side. And I'm going to be taking now a more smaller brush. This is the Morphe M53 brush. And I'm going to be taking OG again. And I'm just going to apply this on the inner corner. I'm just going to do like circular motions in here. Bring it up to your brow bone too, so it can just look very soft and seamless. All right, so now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the center, and I'm very excited, guys. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is absolutely stunning. It's BRB. The shade right here, it's like a pink, kind of goldish. It's very, very, very beautiful. So I'm gonna be taking this Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow base, and all I'm gonna do is apply this on the center of my eye. So I'm just gonna be taking BRB and applying this on the center. But I'm gonna get rid of the glitter underneath because there was a lot of fallout, but it's okay. This is why I do my eyeshadow before my foundation, because imagine if I had my foundation already, like my whole base. We're pretty much done with the eyes, you guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer first. I like to take this and apply it on my T-zone. I feel like it really helps my oils. And now I'm just going to and I'm going to be actually taking the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It looks like this. And I'm just going to, ooh, I wonder if it's like a sticky consistency. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to apply it with my fingers, with my hands. Just to feel how the consistency is. Wow, it's very like hydrating for sure. That was gonna be like more grippy, but I really like it. I feel like this can also be worn like as a serum, which I mean, I'm all for. Oh wait, it is kind of grippy. It's getting grippy and grippier the more I press it onto my skin, which I like. Oh, that feels really good. Wow, that feels really nice. So now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer from Too Faced. And then I'm just going to take my fan. Alright, so for today's foundation, I'm going to be taking my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Foundations, and I'm going to be taking two shades. I'm going to be taking Fawn and Bamboo, and I'm just going to be mixing them both to get a good shade. I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Honestly, I haven't worn foundation in months. I've been just using concealer. I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty Face Sculpt brush. So now to conceal, I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Biscuit. And I'm just going to apply this on where I need it. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and all I'm going to do is blend it out. Like that. Look how nice and bright that just made my under eyes look. So that's what we'd used to conceal. For highlight, I'm going to be using ginger. Taking my sponge again. And then I'm just going to blend it out. So now I'm going to be taking my sponge and I'm just going to be baking underneath. This is the Huda Beauty powder. Alright, so now I'm going to set my whole entire face. I'm going to be using this Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Matte Tan. And all I'm going to do is take a big fluffy brush and set everything with this. I feel like it also adds a little bit more full coverage. And I'm really liking this powder. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. I'm going to be taking this NARS Folly Seas bronzer. When I know that I'm going to take lots of pictures, I always like to bronze more than usual because I feel like with photography, it's just so much, looks so much better like that too. So now I'm going to be applying some blush, and for today's blush I'm going to be taking the NARS Orgasm blush, and I'm going to be applying it with the Morphe M437. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish up the whole look. Now I'm going to be doing the lower lash line really quick. I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush, applying OG on the bottom of my lower lash line. Actually going to be connecting these two together like this. And we're not going to put anything in the middle, in the center, just right here and right here. Also a little bit of the eye primer, and all I'm gonna do is pretty much apply this on the center of my eye. So I'm going to be taking the Leave Lashes in the style Ella, and these are right here. These are pretty much one of my favorite eyelashes, but I'm going to be taking the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. These are right here put on. Aren't they so pretty? Like, alright, so now I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to quickly do my highlight. So for today's highlight, I'm going to be using the MAC Oh Darling highlight. I haven't used this in so long. I used to use this a lot during summer, and I'm also going to be taking this and applying it on the tip of my nose. Alright, so we're pretty much done, you guys. Oh my god, I forgot my lips. I forgot to do my lips. So the lip liner that I've been using currently is this Morphe lip liner in Makeup Talk. So now I'm going to be taking Ice Latte, kind of applying this all over my lips. I take the Anastasia On Mute liquid lipstick. But I do want it to look a little bit more of a pinky tone. So I'm gonna take Peachy, also from Anastasia, and I'm gonna just apply this on the center. So I am going to be applying gloss. The gloss that I'm going to be applying is the Artist Couture Uncensored gloss. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair or straighten it or do something with it. So for today's setting spray, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix makeup spray. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this look right here, my birthday glam. I really loved how it turned out. The eyes, you guys, are so freaking, like, I love how it turned out. I love, 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 love the glitter that we put on the center of the eyelid. I'm so happy how it turned out too, and I'm definitely going to wear this for my birthday, exactly on my birthday. So let me know if you guys are Capricorns, if I have any Capricorns here on my YouTube channel. I would love to know that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos and new content for you guys. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.